Yo!
Have you ever wanted to learn how to ski but thought it was too hard or would take too long? We were in your same position, but we decided to give it a go. We went to the Italian Dolomites with the intent to go from complete zero to pro. Well, almost pro, in just 3 days. So grab your gear and let's get started. Make sure to watch the video until the end for a compilation of the most funny falls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun guides. Let's go!
Non è Marco, mica. Ah, beh. Grazie.
Per la signorina, giro che partirà solo per le donne.
You okay? Mi Pampu. How was this Suzuria?
The what? The chair. I was okay. I mean, I'm afraid of heights, so I was a bit hesitant. But
Eventually it was good.
yeah, so actually you get amazing views. And if you're afraid of heights, just don't worry, it's fine. Mountain, mountain, mountain. Okay.
You can see my arse.
Huh?
How do you feel?
Okay. Okay. Yes.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Okay.
So let's try to do a bit more parallel, and let's try that exercise to touch the knee. They lean forward and go on the external knee. Do you need help? Put your weight forward. Yeah. To stay straight and up, and at the end of the curve go to the outer leg. Take your time, do very long curves. Really go down. Look at me. Pump. Look at me. Go down. Go for it. Don't fake it. Go down, down. Go down. Go to the knee. Go down. I think you forget to go down. You do it the first two, then you stop. You see, when you go down, you really stop better, no? Just go for it. Like you punch the ground. Punch the ground. Stop here. Let's rehearse. So the stance like this, head forward, yes. And when you turn left, you go this. I want to see your hand below your knee. Okay, show me. Both direction. Okay, let's try. The other knee, Pampumu. Not the one at the mountain. The other, Pampumu. Stop, 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 stop. Did you forget everything now?
Dude, I cannot.
Wait a second. You are putting in your weight in the knee on the mountain, the knee on the valley. That's we're doing the opposite. Look, follow me then. Then, turn, and down. Up. That's fine. Huh. Well done, Pampumu. Yes. Yes. Let's do again. Yes, Pampu. Wow. What a slide. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah. Amazing. Yeah. You're a pro.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Where are you going? Huh?
I don't think so.
Almost. Wait. Now. Push, 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 push. Put your weight. All your weight. Oh, okay.
Ever, ever, ever gonna happen.
Pampu? You got excited?
I couldn't stop. I stopped, but then I saw
You want to go straight? You want to give me the backpack?
I'm okay.
Yeah, Pampu! Wow! Dangerous! Yes! Yo!